so pleased to announce a second time we're investing $3 million as the first step to building a new Soldiers Memorial Hospital right here in Orillia. Congratulations.
That's Premier Doug Ford making a stop in Orillia, updating how the province plans to bring a state-of-the-art hospital to that area. Good Friday evening to you. It was 2 months ago now that Premier Ford teased the monumental news about a new hospital in Orillia. Well, today he was in the city to help paint a clearer picture of what the new hospital will look like and how a partnership is expected to revolutionize healthcare here in our region. CTV's Luke Samard has been following this closely and joins us live tonight. Luke, what can you share?
Sarah, Premier Ford made it official this morning for a $3 million grant going towards the planning process of a brand new Orillia Soldiers Memorial Hospital. Now, that hospital could have a preferred site at Lakehead University's campus, kickstarting a new partnership between the university and the hospital.
And I will always protect the people of Ontario, no matter what it takes, and we're showing that today.
The path to a new hospital became more clear with Premier Doug Ford announcing funding to build the new hospital in Orillia.
The funding announced today will support the initial planning work to help ensure the new hospital is meeting the community's needs, and so we can get shovels in the ground as soon as possible.
Soldiers Memorial Hospital anxious to get started.
It's a lot of work to plan a hospital, but days like today make it worth it. We have clear direction to move ahead with planning.
The grant also allowing the hospital to form a unique partnership with Lakehead University with a preferred site on campus.
I can't think of a better place in our community to have the hospital relocated to this area. Just the opportunities alone for Lakehead University to step into the health sciences, which is going to then impact our local students to have those opportunities close to home.
A partnership between the hospital and university continuing to grow.
There's so much opportunity for synergy between the two institutions, and they are both anchor institutions for Orillia, and so it's really exciting that we're going to be co-located and working together.
With projected population growth, the hospital and university say they've laid the foundation for improved health care in the region.
There's going to be growing demand for health care in the city. Having a brand new state-of-the-art facility will be fabulous for the citizens of Orillia and the surrounding region.
The Premier hoping the new hospital will relieve pressure on staff.
This new hospital will help Soldiers Memorial support more patients, and they told me like over 400,000 patients in the surrounding area. That's pretty incredible.
Premier Ford adding that today's investment part of a larger picture in Ontario.
Our government has committed $60 billion to build and upgrade more than 50 hospitals across the province. Folks, this has never been done in the history of our province and our country. At
this point in time, there is no clear timeline of when shovels will hit the ground. However, the $3 million grant should expedite this process.
So, Luke, at this point, do we know how this will impact or what it will mean for students at Lakehead?
Sarah, Ford reiterated that for the medical schools, 95% of those students are now from Ontario. Premier Ford is hoping that eventually the partnership between Lakehead University and Orillia Soldiers Memorial Hospital will add that and provide future enrollment to those students at Lakehead University.